During the last seminar of Social and Economic Geography and Spatial Management, our guest was Professor Filipe Teles from University of Aveiro in Portugal, Prorector of that university, and at the same time a President of a European Urban Research Association. During the seminar, he talked about the relationship between university or the impact of universities on development of regions, on regional development.
Yeah, it's a very important topic related to the university mission. We've seen over the last 30, 40 years a significant change in the role of the university's missions all over Europe, much more engaged with local and regional development, at least concerned with an impact, and I would say very much driven by European Union funding in this area. And one of the main things we've understood from this change is that this implies significant changes also in the structure of the university, not only the mission, but also the way it is governed, the main incentives for career development of the researchers, the capacity to create what I call these regional partnerships with the main actors from the public sector and the private sector, but also making sure that all scientific areas in the university developed at the same pace. I would say this means that avoiding a specific focus on a technology area or a scientific area, but also developing social sciences. These are the very broad conclusions of what I'll be presenting.
Professor Teles works at University of Aveiro, which reveals several features which are similar to our university, to Wrocław University of Environmental and Life Sciences. It's not the largest university in the country, it's not the oldest, it's not in the capital, national capital city. So we asked him about potential competitive advantages we may find in universities similar to our universities.
Yeah, I would say that this profile of universities, being young, much more focused on technology, natural sciences, have a special role to play in regional and local development. One of the main reasons is the fact that precisely because they are focused in these areas of science, they are able to enable the development of some of the regional clusters of economy. And that's precisely what made social sciences relevant in our case at university. It didn't start as a social science university, but social science became a kind of a bridge between the natural and the technical and the hard sciences and society in general. This meant that we were able to work as boundary spanners, as enablers of this dialogue between the hard sciences and natural sciences and society. So I think that social sciences can play a really important role in this ambition of universities to be more impactful in regional development. But let me just give you an example. In our case, starting just 50 years ago, this year we commemorate our 50th anniversary, we were able to be at the same time a very strong research-intensive university, which made us just recently within one of the 100th in the world in the most recent rankings, but at the same time developing social science as a support to this core area in the university.